How are you all? You are good? Yes, you are good. Okay. I am your new rhymes teacher. Okay? And my name is Miss Rosemary. So, students, do you like to hear rhyme? Yes? Or you like to do the actions? Yes, you like. I know that. Okay. So, tell me about numbers. Do you know numbers? Yes. What are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes? You know about numbers? Yes. So today we will do a rhyme with these numbers. Okay? Yes. So let's begin our class. Okay, students. So at first I will recite the words and you have to listen carefully. Okay? Yes. So hear me. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Okay, so now I will sing a rhyme for you. Okay? Okay. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Okay, students, now I will show you the actions. Okay? Yes. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Okay, now we will do it together. Okay? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Okay, students, so today we have learned this rhyme. I want you to do homework, okay? Sing this rhyme and send to my WhatsApp number, okay? Thank you.